Hi. In Lexzur, efficient client management is at your fingertips. Initially, you can navigate to the list of all your clients by accessing the Contacts module from the navigation menu. Clients may encompass either companies or individuals, and the grid view offers a comprehensive list of clients along with their vital details. You can effortlessly search and filter clients to promptly locate the ones you require. Additionally, the ability to export the client list to Excel simplifies data management. You also have the option to add new clients directly from the same page. Simply click on the plus icon located at the top right corner of the page. Specify whether the client is a company or person and complete the necessary fields accordingly, which are the name and nickname for companies and first and last name for persons. Other fields are not mandatory, including address, email, phone, and so on. However, adding them will benefit you at the reporting stage. Once added, the system will enable you to associate a billing account for that client, which can be used later in the invoicing process. For additional modifications and access to detailed information about a specific client, just click on their ID to navigate to their dedicated page. Here, you can effectively track and manage all client details, encompassing general information, associated documents, and reminders. Furthermore, on the client's dedicated page, you gain access to a thorough overview of their expenses, time entries, relevant bills, invoices, trust deposits, and partners' shares. This functionality ensures you remain well informed and in command of all financial aspects of each client. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.